Hello, how to solve for s from this equation s raised to power 6 minus s raised to power 3 is equal to 2. Solution. S raised to power 6 minus s raised to power 3 is equal to 2, and s raised to power 6 minus s raised to power 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now s raised to power 6 can be written as s raised to power 3 square minus s raised to power 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Let s raised to power 3 is equal to y. This is y squared minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Let's solve this using factorization method. Then in factorization method, this is the product, which must be minus 2. P is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 1. This is equal to minus 2. And this is the sum, which is going to be minus 1. Sum is equal to minus 2 plus 1. This is equal to minus 1. Let's substitute. We have y squared minus 2y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then y bracket y minus 2 plus 1 bracket y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is common. Y minus 2 bracket y plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Or the second case, y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. But s raised to power 3 is equal to y. Then from here, s raised to power 3 is equal to 2. Let's take the cube root of both sides. Cube root of s raised to power 3 is equal to cube root of 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 3. This is the first value of x. And from here, s raised to power 3 is equal to minus 1. Then s raised to power 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the same thing as s plus 1 bracket s squared minus s plus 1 is equal to 0. Then there are two cases here. S plus 1 is equal to 0, or s squared minus s plus 1 is equal to 0. From here, s is equal to minus 1. This is another value of x. But from here, this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve. S squared minus s plus 1 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Then from the quadratic general formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. S is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times 1, that is minus 4 over 2. This is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 over 2. So s is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3i over 2, and this is imaginary, so we don't need this. The real solution we have are s is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 3 and minus 1. This is our final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S raised to power 6 minus s raised to power 3 is equal to 2. When s is 2 raised to power 1 over 3, this is 2 raised to power 1 over 3 to the power of 6 minus 2 raised to power 1 over 3 to the power of 3 must be equal to 2. This will cancel this. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So here is 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 must be equal to 2. 2 raised to power 2, that is 4 minus 2 must be equal to 2. 4 minus 2, this is 2, is equal to 2, which is true for the solution. Then when s is also minus 1, let's check. When s is equal to minus 1, s raised to power 6 minus s raised to power 3 must be equal to 2. Then minus 1 raised to power 6 minus 1 raised to power 3 must be equal to 2. Let's see, minus 1 raised to power 6, this is 1, minus 1 raised to power 3, that is minus 1, must be equal to 2. This is 1 minus times minus plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2, which is true for the solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step: like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.